what's the process of actually getting a foundation inspection completed by one of our specialists with our company? Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of You Ask, We Answer, foundation repair version. Today we're going to talk with Mark in regards to what's the process of actually getting a foundation inspection completed by one of our specialists with our company. So, Mark, take it away.
Thanks, Brian. Typically, someone will call our office. They'll explain what's going on with their home, whether it's a cracked slab or drywall that's with diagonal cracks and sloping floors or hard to shut doors or windows. They will direct them to me, and I will discuss that with them. I'll go over all their scenarios with them. I'll start sending them some educational articles. I'll send them a little introductory video myself, and then we'll talk about their project, make sure they're the right fit for our company and we're the right fit for them. Then I'll schedule it, and it's usually I can get out there within a couple weeks. So that's pretty much the gist of it, I would say.
All right, perfect. So we're a little bit different than some other foundation repair companies in the industry. So when you call our office, we don't automatically book an inspection. We want to make sure that what you have or what you're experiencing is something that we can actually fix. And that way we're not wasting your time and getting you or directing you to the right person to contact if that fix is not a foundation repair. So thank you, Mark. And this is another episode of You Ask,
I Answer.